Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Crafting with Kids, and I'm going to show you this 2-ingredient slime. As you can see, I'm using Dawn dish soap and cornstarch. Now, I love slimes with very few ingredients. It makes it simple, it makes it easy to mix because you know if it's too slimy, you add the cornstarch. If it's too dry, you add the dish soap. These 2-ingredient slimes are great for younger kids because it makes it more simple. The biggest problem I have with the 2-ingredient slimes are it's hard to get them to actually work or actually make a slime solution. Now you can see here, all I did was mix those 2 ingredients. I let them sit for about a minute and this is what it looks like. My first thought when I feel it and look at it is it looks just like Play-Doh. Honestly, it feels 100% like Play-Doh too. So this is a great slime recipe if you want to make your own Play-Doh. Now here, my daughter decided she wanted to make green glittery slime. So she poured some yellow food coloring and some glitter that we had. And you can see she's mixing it now. And hopefully it's going to make some pretty green looking glittery slime. Or I would call it Play-Doh. Honestly, if I title this post, I might even title it Homemade Play-Doh because really that's what it feels like more than slime. One of the great things about Play-Doh is how creative you can be. I mean, you can make so many different colors, textures, consistencies, and this is a great solution if you're looking for a Play-Doh-like consistency. It really is. It's super simple. It's made with household ingredients, so it's safe. And yeah, I would title this more of a Play-Doh solution than a slime solution. Thanks for watching.